You doing? Oh, that's a big one, Roshan. That's a big one. Can you do it? Ah, that one's breaking. Oh, you're trying to do the double one, huh? Now you're just throwing them in random places, Roshan. Look, you made a new friend. Oh, thank you. Roshan, say thank you. Thank you. Yeah, you guys are doing cleanup. Roshan, you doing cleanup? Look, she's trying to give it to you, Roshan. Roshan, look behind you. Look behind you. See, she's trying to give you one. Say thank you, Roshan. Roshan, can you say thank you? Yeah, good job.